What is up, guys? This is season 1, episode 1 of Nature with Nick,
featuring Bob Ross.
Yeah,
Nature with Nick. Bob Ross coming in clutch with a stick. Yeah. Nature with Nick.
Nature with Nick. Season 1, episode 1, Nature with Nick. He got stuck down to his knees.
He said, Bob Ross, can you help me please? So I grabbed a stick, tried to pull him up. It didn't work, so he just remained stuck.
I'm for real stuck, cannot go anywhere. So, this might be the last of you'll see me. Peace. Sinking down in the quicksand. I was not a very big fan.
Yeah, Nature with Nick. Yeah.
Veggie Snales, yeah, we're back. Nick gets stuck in the mud to his crack. Now we out here making our first track.
Nature with Nick. Bob Ross grabbed a stick. Nature with Nick. Nature